Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Facebook ad account or your Facebook business account or your Meta account, whichever one you want to call it, right? So from Nigeria, it's been really a hassle to add money to your Facebook account because of card issues and payment issues that we have in Nigeria, right? So most of the times you usually want to create a virtual card using some apps like the Cheaper Cash, the Gray, and so on and so forth. And you will be forced to buy their USD card for nothing less than 5 USD. And you will also be forced to buy dollars on their own conversion rate, which is usually very much higher, like extremely high. Okay, so you find out that at the end of the day you bought the card, at the end of the day their conversion rate is so choking, and you end up spending a whole lot of money just to be able to fund your Facebook business account. Right now there's an update that makes it very much easy for Nigerians to add funds to their Facebook business account at ease. Very simple, like very quick, simple, and very much cheap. In this video, that's what I'm going to teach you. So let's get started. On my screen you can see I have an option to click on add funds, but I'm not going to do that. I'll show you how I got to this page right here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and open another tab, but first of all you make sure you go to your browser and you log into your Facebook account, then open another tab and go to business.facebook.com, right? So open up the Facebook business, and over here you're going to see the all tools. Go ahead and click on the all tools. From the all tools menu, you can see from the manage section, you're going to see the billing and payment. Go ahead and click on the billing and payment. And you can see I've gotten to the same window which I was before, right? From here, just go ahead and click on the add funds. And from here, you can see we have a handful of payment methods. But for us in Nigeria, it's really not easy for us to use the debit or credit card because of bank issues, restriction issues, CBN issues, and so on and so forth. Okay, Facebook now came up with a new payment method called the pay by bank transfer. Really guys, this payment method is killing it for Nigerians because it's now very much easy, and I'm really very sure that all the virtual card market is now in shambles because of this feature, right? Because there's really no point going to all these virtual card apps to get a virtual card to be able to add funds to your Facebook business account when you can easily do this with this pay by transfer method. Now let me even show you how it works. So let me go ahead and enter any amount. Let's say I want to deposit or add funds of 5,000 naira, and I'm going to go ahead and select the pay by transfer, and I'll click on next. And from here, an account details has been generated. And trust me guys, this account details is only for this particular transaction that I'm about to make. So whenever you select the pay by bank transfer and click next, a unique bank details is going to be generated for you, usually from Paga, right? So it's going to be generated for you, and you can see it expires in basically 2 hours, right? So you have 2 hours to make this payment of this amount to this one-time account right here. So it's very much easy. Just go to your bank app and make this payment, and you can see that you really have enough time. Even if you want to go inside the bank and make the transfer inside the bank manually, you have enough time to do this. Okay, so it's not really limited to people that have iPhone or Android phone. You have enough time to take your money to the bank and make the transfer to the exact bank account. Okay, so let me go ahead and make this transfer right now, and you're going to see that the page or this payment gateway right here is going to capture the payment immediately I make the payment. Immediately I press send and it's sent successfully. You're going to see that this page is going to start reloading on its own, and my payment is going to be verified. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've just made the payment. Now let's see. Okay, there we have it. Immediately guys, immediately the payment has just been captured. You can see that payment of this successfully added. You now have, okay, that's blah blah, that's my balance. So I click on done, and you can see my balance updated. Simple as ABC. And with this, I think the virtual card market is in shambles, because a lot of people go to seek for virtual cards from the virtual card apps for the sole purpose of using them for Facebook business account. And with this integration and with this new updates, I mean, it's a mess for the virtual card market. So that's all I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.